Good morning, guys. I'm Johnny, owner of Blaze Grass Lawn Care, and today I would like to answer a question that I received a couple of days ago. The question was, when is the best time to do a mass pruning or a mass cut down of your hedges? And right before spring is the best time to get this task accomplished. Case in point, this is my shrub right here, and as you guys know, if you've been following me, I like to keep my shrubs nice and tight, right? Dress right dress, corners nice and crispy. Now, this shrub was hanging too far out on my driveway, and my thing was I didn't want it to keep for it to scratch my vehicle. So what I did this morning was to cut it all back, and as you can tell, I did a massive cutaway, and the goal is to keep it off my driveway. And once it starts to grow, it's going to grow right here on the line, and I'm going to just let it grow and trim it, make it nice and dress right dress. So and I'll show you over here, this is a whole container full of clippings and pieces that I actually took off this shrub. So right now, or directly, you know, when your shrub or plant are in that dormant stage is when it's the best time for you to go ahead and prune it or cut it down, because come spring this thing is going to start shooting out from right there. And also, so you can see, I cut it a little bit beyond where I want it to actually come out to, right? I don't want to cut it right at that point, because what happens is once that new growth starts, you want to make sure that it grows enough to cover this piece, so you cut it back just a little bit more. Now you see this piece right here? I'm going to probably trim that off right there, because I want it to have at least this much new growth once it starts to grow. Okay, so there it is. So the best time to trim your or do a massive pruning on your shrubs is right now. Good. Awesome. Hey guys, send me your questions, and what I'll do is small little videos like this and see if I can answer your question. I'd rather make videos than having to type, right? Hey guys, thank you for taking the time to watch my videos. Have a great day. Pop smoke. Peace.